Today I'm here in the village to bring you an amazing, beautiful village girl edition video about the benefits of guava leaves for hair. Apart from that, I'm going to share with you some basic other benefits that you can get using guava leaves apart from your hair, but again also through your health. Please be my guest, watch this video till the very end, and please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Let's get started. It is a beautiful morning, a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Jacinta, and I'm welcoming you to the other side of a Modesty. On this channel, we'll talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. Today's video is about hair care, but in the as you can hear that voice, yes, we are in the village and I love nature. I am a mom plant, and today we are going to harvest with you guys, cook with you this water, and then wash the hair with you. And lastly, we are going to look at the benefits we can draw from using guava leaves for our hair. As you can see, I'm cutting those guava leaves that are young and just sprouted because they are easy to cook, and then the nutrients are still new. So as you are going to do this, please consider to take those leaves that are young. You get it? One of the benefits of drinking guava leaves water for your health is that if you're struggling with diabetes, then this one can lower your sugar level. Again, if you're struggling with infertility, please try out this one. Lastly, we have harvested, and it's also an acne or pimple name. I'm going to light my jiko. We are in the village, and I washed my leaves of camera, and then I put it on a traditional sufria, and here we are cooking. The thing is, we cook it until it turns golden brown, and then we are going to save the water. That is what we are looking for here. We don't have to cook it for a long time. Just 15 minutes is enough if your heat is high. This is our guava leaves prepared, ready for use. If you watch this video till here, thank you so much. And today I'm introducing you guys another shampoo. It's a clear crystal shampoo. Because I just traveled in the village, I just took this little amount of it so that I can be using today. But I'll be inserting here a clip of how it usually looks like with the bottle. It is my first time using this, and as a hair care naturalist and anything, I need to try out new products in the market to get to understand what's on the market. Today, I'm not going to pre-poo because I actually moisturized my hair yesterday while traveling. So today we are just quickly going to wash, and I'm in a protective style. Usually I'm a pussycat girl, so here we are. I'm doing the pussycat, then washing my hair slowly by slowly. One thing you need to know, girl, boy, if you are a hair naturalist or a man, you need to be gentle on your hair. And natural hair needs care and maintenance, investment in anything. Also mentally, you need to be proper, because if you're stressed out, your hair is going to break out. So you know. Starting today, we are going to just quickly wash it like that. So this is can I say it is co-washing? It is not literally so much washing, because I've not followed the important steps that are necessary when washing your hair. We are just going to co-wash today. It is not actually cleansing. So I'm just going in to wash my hair. But disclaimer, the type of my hair is 4C, low porosity. Sometimes you can watch my video and you try out what I'm using, but your hair behaves differently than mine because our hair types differs. So if you are high porosity, you tend to take time to absorb moisture, but for me, I absorb it easily and retain is more, you see. But for high porosity people, it takes them time to absorb, and again they lose it easily. So every hair type has got its own challenges, and I think hair type changes with time. It just depends with you and your consistency. Some people has got two types of hair, like it can be high porosity and as well as low porosity. So I don't know your hair type, and please get to know your hair type. Are you 4A, 4B, 4C, 3C? Check out my playlist and get to understand different kinds of hair types so that you can understand. After washing with guava leaves, okay, you can use guava leaves as a deep conditioner or also as a leave-in conditioner. I like it because it makes my hair soft. When I use this, it's unnecessary for me to use shampoo. But today, I'm just using this clear crystal shampoo just to do a patch testing because it's a new product. And again, I'm just going to use a little one because I don't know how it's going to handle, how the outcome is going to be on my hair. So I'm being cautious. If it is your first time on this channel, I want you to get yourself into a beauty shop and purchase these types of oil. Number 1, coconut oil. Number 2, olive oil. Number 3, castor oil. Number 4, jojoba oil. Number 5, almond oil. Number 6, lavender oil. Number 7, you can try avocado oil. For me, I don't do avocado because it's so much reactive to my scalp. So if it's your first time using a new product, please do patch testing so that you don't bring harm than good to your hair. Are we together? Another thing that I need you guys to know is which one? Washing your hair, you can use lukewarm water or cold water, but not hot water because it can easily damage your hair. Here I was just using my fingers while being gentle on my hair strands and washing my hair. I've stayed like around 3 weeks, man, as washing my hair. A lot has been happening, but we're good regardless. God has been so faithful and good. I just want to welcome my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. For the returning ones, thank you so much for the support. I am so much humbled. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and give me a sweet comment. I want to get monetized, guys. Please help me hit 2,000 subscribers before this year end, and help me get monetized by watching my videos till the very end. Watch my previous videos and encourage me. Yes. At this point, I think my hair was just soft, and I could not literally notice the change because, as I said, guava leaves makes your hair softer. The change that I noticed after sometimes like 2 days, it's the curl pattern. Like this shampoo made my curls pop than the previous times. Like when I could style, the curls were so much defined than the other time. So when you're using guava leaves, can you use it alone or with anything else? Number 1, don't use your bar soap to wash your hair. Don't use bathing soap to wash your hair. You better wash just with water alone. But why should you wash with water alone? And you've got so many natural things that you can use. You can use guava leaves, you can use aloe vera, you can use rice water, you can use onion juice. We've got a lot. So this is a clear look at a closer look of how my hair was looking like. It is just the darker color for me because, oh my goodness, Indeed, guava leaves turn your hair black. If you're struggling with graying hair or brown hair, please, you can try guava leaves or black tea. Again, coffee too can, both the natural and those purchased in the stores. The sun is shining and we are grateful to God. If you got any questions, please kindly let me know. I'll be answering them. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Follow me on TikTok also. And please share this video to as many people as you can. Subscribe. Give me thumbs up so that we can get to more audiences, so that YouTube can suggest. And please give me a sweet comment. Just comment down there, I like your hair texture. I will know definitely that you have watched up to this this end of a minute 10. This is the final look, guys. I was really hurrying up to finish this. I'm sorry I did not all. My hair was just looking like this. I had just to tie it up and go, because it was almost raining. The rain just came abruptly, and here we are, guys. I just loved how my hair looked like that day. I'll be attaching here some photos. Quickly, let us look at the benefits of using guava leaves. Number one is that it stimulates hair growth by increasing blood flow and reducing inflammation. You see, when blood flows, there'll be growth. Number two, it reduces dandruff and other scalp issues due to their antifungal and antibacterial properties. Another thing that can reduce dandruff is onion juice. The next one is that it nourishes and conditions the hair, making it stronger and shiny. It helps reduce hair loss. It acts as a natural dye, giving your hair a darker and richer color. I'm sorry my voice is not audible today. I'm still having a flu, but we are getting there. Number 6 is that it improves scalp health, essential for creating an environment where your hair can thrive. So if you're having scalp issues, try this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.